Welcome back, guys. Here we will learn through the data types and structures, and we are working with the image processing. So it is important to understand how to operate and create the matrices or NumPy arrays. So it is also important to keep track of the scalar operations. Let's review the image for how to operate them with efficiency. To begin with this, we need to initialize the arrays. So here we will learn through how we can create the image with the NumPy arrays. So here we are going to import NumPy as NP and import the CV2. So let's say a variable like where we are just create the NP array of zeros with 150 rows, 200 columns, and with one channel. And here we need to give the type of it unsigned integer 8. So maximum value 0 to 256 for this. So if we want to show this array of the black of the zeros, then we can just use this method and call this black. So here if we want to know about the value of pixels basically for this array 0, 0, and for the maximum values which we want to show in it. So here we need to call the cv2.wait capital key to show for 0 milliseconds the window, and here cv2.destroy all windows. So we complete this code. So now we want to run through this code. This file exists into our folder here, that is the 03 start folder. Let me check as the 03.py. So here in this code we will run through the code through the file, and if we see here what it shows, if we see here, it creates the black window with the size of 150 to 100 with one dimension. This is the Python which is executing the code, and this is the black color window which is showing here. So here let's move towards the next exercise for the ones image and then white and colored, so that we will do in the next lecture.